friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GATE, a gateway for engineers. तो चलिए आज जानते हैं गेट के सिलेबस के बारे में और उससे क्या क्या करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज है और जानते हैं कि आने वाले समय में किसके ऊपर हम लोग और चर्चा करेंगे। चलिए, so what is GATE? GATE is a graduate aptitude test in engineering. It's an examination that primarily tests the comprehensive understanding of various subjects in engineering and science. It is conducted jointly by IISc plus 7 IITs. Okay, under MHRD, Government of India. Next, GATE eligibility. So, GATE eligibility, final year BTech student in engineering or technology or architecture 4-year program, they are eligible, and master's student for final year for any stream, branch of science, mathematics, computer application are also eligible. Pre-final year are not eligible in GATE examination, and there is no age limit for eligibility in GATE examination. Okay, so what next? अब next क्या करना है? तो नेक्स्ट ये जानते हैं कि व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज आफ्टर क्रैकिंग गेट, which PSU recruit through GATE, what are the foreign universities that accept GATE score, what are the different government jobs available on the basis of GATE score, which are the good colleges to pursue MTech in India. Okay, so see the career opportunities after GATE. Why I said that GATE is a gateway for engineers, just see now. See the opportunities. PhD after GATE, you can work as an assistant or associate professor. You can obtain additional expertise in different subjects, act as a tutor online or offline. You can be a writer or author in publication. You can do your PhD after GATE exam, enter into research field, and the most important, work in PSU. Okay. So let's talk about different PSUs. So coming to Maharatna PSUs, the PSUs are ONGC, IOCL, NTPC, CIL, SAIL, Steel Authority of India. These are their salary structures and tentative date of application. Then BPCL, then GAIL, then HPCL, then BHEL, then PGCIL, then NLC, then Oil India Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. These are the Navratnas, NMDC, Power Finance Corporation Limited, National Aluminium Company Limited, known as NALCO, then MDL, then AAI, then NPCIL. So list of PSUs, and these are some government organization recruiting through GATE. Chenab Valley Power Projects Limited, Power System Operation Corporation Limited, then West Bengal State Electricity Distribution Company Limited, then Punjab State Power Corporation Limited, then Delhi Development Authority, then Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited. C. Admission in Research Institute through GATE score like BARC, CSIR, DRDO. So GATE scorecard are required in this interview, and also they take their separate exam. Like BARC this year took its own exam, and DRDO also planned to take exam. They are taking both from GATE scorecard as well as the conducting own exam. Now coming to the master courses from Indian Institute of Technologies through GATE score, they are IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, then IIT Roorkee, IIT BHU, IIT Guwahati, IIT Dhanbad, IIT Ropar, IIT Mandi, IIT Indore. Admission in master's courses from foreign universities through GATE score. Yeah, you have to separately get a good score in TOEFL, but along with GATE scorecard, they take admission like National University of Singapore and Nanyang Technology University. So, doing your masters, you require GATE scorecard. So, these are all in the next universities. See, and if you are interested in MBA, then you can your GATE scorecard will be valid for Niti Mumbai. This is a good institute for doing your MBA. They offer PGDM, that is postgraduate diploma in manufacturing management or industrial engineering. Okay, so and different NITs across India also offer master's courses on GATE scorecard. Now, important topics for GATE mechanical engineering. Coming to now syllabus, the most important subject is manufacturing engineering. Consists of 15 to 17 marks, and these are the main topics: casting, welding, metal cutting, sheet metal operation, machining, non-traditional machining, NC, transformation, 3 to 1 principle. Then engineering mathematics consists of 13 marks. Another most important subject, theory of machine, 7 to 8 marks. Then fluid mechanics and hydraulics, 7 to 8 marks. Strength of material, 8 to 10 marks. Heat transfer, 5 to 6 marks. Industrial engineering, 6 to 7 marks. Thermodynamics, 5 to 6 marks. Engineering mechanics, 3 to 4 marks. Machine design, 4 to 5 marks. Material science, 3 to 4 marks. RAC, 2 to 4 marks. IC engine, 2 to 4. Power plant, 2 to 4. And aptitude and English, 15 marks. So this is the pie chart for the analysis. See, GATE qualifying score is varies from 29 to 34 out of 100. To get a call from PSU, you must have a score of at least 70 marks. Now coming to the books, these are the list of books. Thermal Science by P.K. Nag, Fluid Mechanics S.K. Som, Theory of Machine S.S. Ratan, Strength of Material, Manufacturing, Heat Transfer, J.P. Hallman, Engineering Mechanics and Material, William Callister, that is Material Science. Best book for is William Callister. Machine Design, B. Bhandari, Industrial Engineering, O.P. Khanna, Engineering Mathematics, B.S. Gurwal, Aptitude, R.S. Agarwal. Apart from this, Medici books are also very good for mathematics. And then these are the exam pattern. See, 100 marks question, 35 into 2, there's 70 marks, and 30 into 1, 30 marks. 70 plus 30, 100. Out of which 30 no negative marking questions and 1/3 negative marking questions are 30. It's not about the amount of time you devote, but rather what to devote to that time that counts. Yeah. So let's come to what is the right time and right strategy to prepare for GATE. See, the right time is the moment you know about your syllabus and you have the determination and passion to get a job in PSU or to get yourself C and in IITs or different foreign universities is the right time to start your preparation. So start from today onwards. Coming to tips and tricks, first be acquainted with the syllabus. I hope after going through this video, you all are acquainted with your syllabus. Then make a list of books wisely. Yes, book selection is very important. Read and listen to toppers word and feel motivated. Yeah, motivation is key for long preparation. Motivation requires. Solve previous year paper twice. This is very important. You have to solve previous year paper at least 30 years previous year paper. It's questions. So it's very important. Plan it, set a goal, and be dedicated throughout your preparation. Yeah, always set small goals so that you can complete it, and you will feel motivated. Make short notes and revise regularly. After completing your syllabus, you have to make short notes for your quick revision. Practice, practice, and practice. Yes, practice is a key to success. And I want to share you a fact that a topper of GATE examination solves around 10,000 questions in throughout the preparation time span of 8 to 10 months. He solves around 10,000 questions. So you have to practice more and more. Do as many mistakes as possible before GATE examination. Yes, if you do mistakes in GATE examination, your marks as well as rank will go down. So do as many mistakes as possible before GATE examination. Thank you for watching this video, and I will start the series of learn concept through questions for GATE mechanical. The key features will be quick revision of formulas via short notes and question practice for each subjects after going through the short notes of formulas, and there will be videos explaining few topics of mechanical domain. सो लास्ट में जाते जाते यही कहूँगा आरजे कार्तिक की बात कि कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा. थैंक यू.